The dental abscess is a well-defined pus bag that appears because of an inflammation at the base of the tooth. When the infection begins to spread, the gum is destroyed and the maxillary bone begins to be affected. During the time the infection is installed in the jaw, the pain may decrease, but then the situation gets worse and it doesn't improve. Pain relief occurs when the jaw starts to dissolve and the nerve starts to wither by causing its death. The gradual destruction of the jaw prevents the tooth from sticking to the dental alveolus, causing it to lose. In this lecture, I will show you 2 natural remedies to get rid of a dental abscess. These are: number 1, garlic. Number 2, ginger root. Garlic. Garlic contains a sulfur-containing amino acid called allicin, which is rich in antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It also contains natural anesthetic properties which provide relief from pain and sensitivity. Apply freshly extracted garlic juice or garlic paste or sliced clove on the infected tooth for a few minutes and rinse off with water. You can also add garlic juice into a cup of water and gargle with it 2 to 3 times in a day. Add garlic to your cooking or salads to strengthen your immune system and combat the infection. But avoid internal consumption of garlic 2 weeks before surgery, as it can increase the risk of bleeding. Ginger root. Decoct from a teaspoon of ginger root. Grate the ginger and place it in a mug of hot water and let it to infuse for 10 minutes. Then gargle with this solution after it's cooled down several times a day. Or you can mash well 2 cloves and place the powder to the affected tooth. It has anesthetic effect against dental abscess.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.